If you're looking how to make an affirmations cash cow channel, which will be going on in just a few seconds, I just want to let you know that you're in the right place. Watch to the end of the video so we can go over if this niche gets the green light or the red light stamp of approval. Subscribe if you want to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below if you want to make money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the content. So in order to make an affirmations niche channel, I want to start out by showing you guys what a great one looks like so we can draw inspiration from. Let me switch to viewer mode and let's go investigate on YouTube. Alright guys, we're in viewer mode, so we got to think of what a person interested in affirmations will be interested in watching. As I scroll down, I see the very first video saying affirmations for positive thinking. I think this is a great video. Just from seeing the title and seeing the thumbnail, uplift your life, let's go check it out. I click on it. It's a simple background. It's just some stars in the background. I see some subtitles and there's going to be a voiceover reading on what the subtitles are talking about. Scroll down. This has nearly 1.2 million views. Has a decent amount of comments, subscribers. I think this is a solid video that is very easy to replicate. Comment down below, what is your favorite affirmation? Now let's go check out the channel to see if it is a niche channel, and I can see perfectly that there is no face behind this channel. It is simply giving you content of what different affirmations they have to provide in the videos. They have a yoga series. They have, for back pain, relaxation kind of videos, stress relievers. And this is the great thing about niche channels is you don't have to necessarily show your face in any of these content. This is free stock footage that they can easily download. Now let's see how their monetization is going. Let's go over how many views this channel is getting and how much money is being made off AdSense alone. So if I go into this website can easily tell me information regarding how many views this channel is getting and how much money they're making off ad revenue. Now let's check out their stats. Just in the last 30 days, these guys are raking in over 2.27 million views, and that's just throughout the month. Throughout the month, they're just making a little over 9,000 just based off ad revenue, and throughout the year, this can be calculated on a rough estimate to 109,000 per year. Just based off the views, this is telling me that there is a great audience very interested in the affirmations niche. That also tells me the probability of you going viral with one of these videos or multiple of these videos is very likely. The type of money you can be making on this niche alone is amazing because these are life-changing numbers, close to 10K throughout the month. This is making you 6 figures throughout the year easy just off ad revenue alone. If you're enjoying the content so far, give the video a thumbs up. Now you might be thinking, yeah, that channel is making a lot of money, but that's that channel. Is this really possible for you to make? Let's go see how these videos are easy to make. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. Our video is like a puzzle. All I'm doing is putting the pieces together. How did I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Let me know in the comment section down below. Does this niche get the stamp of approval, the green light or the red light? I would say the affirmations niche does get the green light, as there is a high demand for them, as you can see in the views that we were watching in the previous channel, along with the potential profit that you can be making as well. A bonus is that these videos are easy to make. YouTube automation can serve as a great backbone for this niche. Now the videos that we went over in this video can be used as inspiration as long as the channel that I mentioned. And this is only one niche, as I will be going over many more niches and future content to see if they are profitable as well. Now you have two options. Option A, you can do it yourself with the possibility of wasting your time as you have to figure out how to do YouTube correctly. Or you have option B. If you want the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with YouTube automation, then I highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below. Watch this video right here as we're going to be exploring if it is a profitable cash cow niche. Subscribe to Tube Great if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below if you do want to make that money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the content. Peace out.